What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today I got a few deals coming to you, and a lot of them are from you guys. So first up, let's just start right here in the middle with what Emmanuel posted. So this was 2 days ago. I know, my bad. I'm late. He posted that this deal that I spoke about, I don't know, last week, it was $449, and now it's $399. So again, I went over this last week how incredible of a deal $449 was. So if you bought this at $449, just call them and see if you can get a price adjustment. You should, because it's within 30 days. But if not, go to Lowe's, return it, and rebuy it. Or just buy this. Just buy this now again and return the other one. You get what I'm saying? So using your old receipt or whatever, return this new one with your old receipt. Lowe's was dumb all 2022. Hopefully they're smarter 2023. But for those of you that are new to the deal, let me just show you. This is not your average starter kit, which we have going on over here at Fasterns Inc. So you have your regular charger, 2 5-amp hour batteries, and a bag full of $100, which is a good deal. But I just want to illustrate that this is not your regular charger. This is a rapid charger. So this fast charger, along with these 2 5-amp hour XR batteries, is like two something itself. Then this Jigsaw is also two something, like 219. It really is like 269 if you go look at regular price. So these four things right here is well over $400. Then you have this router, this XR oscillating tool, the sander, and I mean this is an incredible deal. Okay, it's just ridiculous. If you need this stuff, just buy this and do a little dance. All right, do the jig because you got over. All right, so Daniel 5 hours ago was trying to buy this deal. So, okay, Daniel, I think this was your problem. He was saying he was having problems trying to check out. I think there's your problem. So I'm guessing you were trying to buy this deal, which to me, honestly, is better than the deal of the day. So let's pull these together. So you have the deal of the day. It's the same rotary hammer drill, same 2 8 amp hour batteries, but you get a charger for $699, right? And then right here for $519, you could just choose the 2 free batteries. Now, last time I mentioned this was like last week also, the 2 free batteries was sold out. And I told you guys to just keep checking it does that. Again, Lowe's has been weird. So this is really what you want to do. I don't know why you were having issues. Maybe because this deal was rolling out today and it was confusing the system. Try again now. But obviously don't get this one for $699. I said it was a good... Don't get this one for $699. Get the one that's for $519. Look, sir, it ain't gonna cost $180 for a charger, right? So, and then just buy a charger, and there you go. You be in there like swimwear. Just don't forget, for those of you that saw this DeWalt deal too, Lowe's has Rakuten. You're gonna get 2% cash back if you're new to Rakuten. Rakuten and Retail Me Not, they're free cashback extensions. Use the link in the description to sign up, and you'll get a free bonus $30 on top of your 2% cash back. But if you've already done that, use Retail Me Not because they're offering 3% cash back, which is, obviously 3 is more than 2. So moving on over here to the left. Now let's go back to the group because I'm trying to give everybody their props. All right, now let's do this. Let's talk about Jeff. Jeff had a horrible experience with Tools Direct on eBay. Just look at the pictures. He got this. I mean... Look at that. Now, I usually tell you guys, look, if you have issues, you can figure that out. But this is not an issue you can figure out because if you try to go take this to Home Depot, they'd be like, sir, clearly, no. We're not all taking this as a return. Or maybe you could. I don't know. I mean, they just RTV it. Because here's the thing. You can go, like when you buy a tool from Home Depot or Lowe's, you can butcher the thing for 90 days. There's no rule saying it got to be brand new. You can butcher it, and if it don't hold up within the 90 days, you can return it and get your money back, right? So you could take this to Home Depot and be like, let me not do this. Let me not say that. I'm going to just be quiet with all that. But basically, you could buy one from Home Depot and then take this one back and be like, it broke way too soon. And then, there you go. But just make sure you let them know it broke because what you don't want them to do is put this back on the shelf. This is going to end back up at Tools Direct anyway. I don't know how they're going to end up handling it. I guess they'll sell it as salvage or for parts, but that's what needs to happen. But yeah, Tools Direct, their customer service has been doo-doo, and they will block you. They blocked me. I can buy from them again now, but I couldn't buy that thing that I wanted. They blocked me from the listing, immediately, and I didn't even return anything. I just canceled it to try to rebuy it so I can get my cash back. And I tried to explain that to them. They were like, "Me not understand English." So whatever, hit or miss. But hey, sometimes these deals are worth the gamble. I'm not even gonna lie to you. And everything I've ever gotten from Tools Direct was always brand new. I've never had, the only issues I've had is recently with customer service. So there you had that. I just wanted to address that and tell you that, Jeff, I mean, hey, we feel you, bruh, but it is a hit or miss. I have to give, okay, so, all right, Derek. Derek was looking for a good mid-torque impact wrench. And so he said he was going to probably go, he thought he was going to get a lot of replies saying go with Milwaukee, but you didn't. You didn't, bro. You got a lot of replies saying to do the Metabo HPT. And that's what I was going to say. He ended up buying the Milwaukee for $420. I think he said he got for $390 in the end. And it came with 2 batteries and a charger. Bruh, you got it from Home Depot, which is a good thing because Home Depots are everywhere. Take it back. You hear me knocking on the desk? Take it back, okay? Because look, let me just show you something. I brought up the Torque Test channel right here to show you. And I'm going to link to this video, okay? I'm going to link to the video. Go watch the video and watch that mid-torque Metabo HPT put the hurting on on that Milwaukee. You can see right here. Best case scenario, the best that Milwaukee could do, and that was with a 12 amp hour high output battery, was 479 foot-pounds. And that Metabo HPT with its regular 4 amp hour battery was able to produce 522 foot-pounds. Now you can go big boy and get the Makita, but this is the Makita 40 volt that produced 568, but you're going to pay significantly more money. You're going to pay basically what you paid for that Milwaukee, and and that's tool only. So right now you can go to Toolbarn, okay, and get this mid-torque for $189. You're only going to spend $189, and it's going to come with a charger, and it's an incredible charger too. You can charge a cell phone, charge a tablet without being plugged into the wall. You can plug it to the wall to charge a battery. It'll charge a cell phone at the same time. Or you could just unplug it from the wall, be in your car, put a battery in it, push the little button, and it still charge a cell phone. It's crazy, right? Then this thing has a lifetime warranty, a real lifetime warranty, not a lifetime service agreement, a lifetime warranty. It's IP56 rated, so it has some waterproof there, some dust proof there. Resistance, that's the better word. And then also it just outperforms it, right? Outperforms it. You said you need to remove lug nuts all day long. Eventually these tools are going to fail. When this one will fail, Metabo HPT will give you a new one. All right, so $189 compared to the almost $400 you spent. It's not even close, bruh. You could buy 2 of these. Buy 2. Buy another tool. How about that? Buy another tool and end up with another battery and another charger. Buy anything. This is the best in class rear handle circular saw. This is the best in class reciprocating saw that I've experienced. They were saying it was the flex, but this thing smokes that flex. Buy an impact driver. Buy anything else, and you still come out the same amount of money on that Milwaukee. All right, so that's it. This is better than Milwaukee's. Look, man, there you go. So that's what you want to do. Plus Toolbarn has, again, a Rakuten. So you get some cash back. You can sign up, get a $30 cash back, plus it's extra coupons, $10 off $250. I think it got one for $500 too. You're not going to spend that much. So $180 is what you might do. You might do $250. Then you can also sign up for Barn Bucks, which will give you points towards your future purchase, and you can get more money off in the future. So this just makes all the more sense, man. Return that stuff to Home Depot. I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm telling you what to do and return that thing. So, all right, moving on. Because I got to give y'all props. We got a real smoking deal that's coming up right now. Right now, we owe Anthony Sales a high five, a virtual high five. We owe you, bro, because this was crazy. So here's what he found. Is it this one? He found the stubby, right? The Milwaukee M12 stubby impact wrench with a 5 amp hour high output battery charger and a case. Not for $249. Nope. He found it for $169.99. The stubby itself is $200. And that 5 amp hour high output battery is like $200 itself too. It's on clearance. So he said on the rack it says 249, but when he went to go ring it up, it rang up 169. Somebody else corroborated that story, that he said, hey, I saw online that it was 169. It's showing 250 here, and the sales rep was like, all right, let's just scan it and see. And boom, sure enough, it rang up 169. And for your viewing pleasure, I brought up BrickSeek. I'm gonna leave the link to BrickSeek so you can check your area. Everywhere in Kansas, it's on, sure enough, on clearance. So yes, 169, but when you go in the store, it's gonna say 249. Anthony, we owe you a drink, dude. We owe you a drink. Thank you so much. So moving on, I got some little things of my own. Okay, so briefly, I'll talk about this over at Fasterns Inc. You got your starter kit for $100. Somebody else posted something in the group from some other weird site. It kind of looked like Fasteners Inc. I never heard of it. I don't want to flag it as spam, but Fasteners Inc. I've never bought from them, but a lot of you guys have said this was legit. So yeah, there you go, $100 there for that starter kit. Moving on. I'm still waiting for my order from Ohio Power Tools for my Metabo, where I spent $350. I got a free 2 amp hour starter kit and the impact wrench with a meta box. I got an impact driver, and then also the best drill in the world, basically. This Metabo drill, but they still haven't sent it. It's been 7 weeks. You see when I ordered this, November 28th. And it's still processing. And I'm ready to just throw in the towel and get my $400 back. I ain't get my free tool or anything yet. I guess they're waiting for them to ship this out. But really and truly, for an extra $50, and I just wanted to show you guys, this is the last thing I want to talk about. But I wanted to tell you guys, you got to have some foresight, right? Because while this Makita deal is excellent, it's not like it's backwards compatible with 18-volt batteries or anything like that. So while I'm like, you know what, for extra $50, I can come over here and get a likely better impact driver, right? And the drill is gonna be about the same. I mean, I showed you guys a video where they compared both of these drills, and the Metabo was still better than this, but they're both very, very good, almost a tie. But here's the thing, I can say I get 4 batteries over here instead of the 2 dinky 2 amp hour batteries with all these extra tools. Now I do get 3 tools over here, but that impact driver I don't think is going to be better than the impact driver from Makita. And I also got an impact wrench, which is nothing really to write home about. It's the same specs basically as the stubby, so that's nothing really to write home about. But here's the thing, if I spent the extra $50 and I got 2 40-volt 4 amp hour batteries and 2 40-volt 2.5 amp hour batteries, even though this does say 1, you can confirm with other people who've gotten this kit, it comes with 2 batteries, and it clearly shows you it's 2. The problem is, even though this is cheap, in the future, I'll be stuck having to pay a gang of money for other 40-volt tools, because these be the only 40-volt tools I have, and Makita tools in themselves very seldom go on sale. Now, I was going to also show you, I showed you guys the other day. Now, obviously, this with Home Depot you can hack. And this whole thing comes out to be $230, which is very, very appetizing. But again, you might have got that cheap. But in the future, when you need more 40-volt tools, you're going to probably pay an arm and a leg for them. Now, over here, they have this. They have more over at Acme Tool than Home Depot. Now, I would recommend buying this because I said don't hack this. And I still feel that way. Don't hack this 7 1/4 rear handle circular saw. Don't hack this. Take them 2 free batteries. For $3.99 and buy them from Acme Tool and not Home Depot. The reason being, because of Rakuten. Rakuten is going to give you some cash back, even if it's just 2% cash back. So what? If you knew you'd get that $30 bonus though, but still, take that 2% cash back. That's going to be cheaper. So you want every penny in your pocket. So there you go. That's it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you get any value from these videos, I ask you to like, comment, and consider subscribing. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any more deals. And I'll see you guys next time.